little bit different today. I've got a box. I've got a box from CHERRYZ. Okay, so the only way I can describe CHERRYZ, it's like Home Bargains, but it's an app. It's just there on your phone. It's awesome. Okay, so I spent 30 quid. Wanted to see how far that 30 quid would go. They have your typicals. They have all your cleaning products. I think they've got everything Astonish has ever done. Homeware bits, food bits. I was so tempted to spend that 30 quid just purely on sweets because the range of sweets and like fizz, and it's awesome. But I didn't. I got a bit of a mixture. Some homey bits, some makeup bits, just bits. So we're gonna open up this box and see what we got. Oh, that is gone. Okay, let's start with. It'd be better if I just didn't look, didn't it? We'll go random. Jug. No, it's jug because I saw it at the top before I closed my eyes. Okay, so I thought this was incredibly cute. I think it was like £1.50. Very summery. Perfect to fill with squash or maybe something a little stronger to keep in the fridge. Loved it. And oh, I wasn't supposed to be looking, was I? Good start, Charlotte. Good start. Okay. Oh, sod it. Matching bowl. Could use it as a fruit bowl or a snack bowl. Something on the table, out in the garden. You know, pour your drinkies, have your snackies. Whoa, I really, really liked it. I think that was £1 as well. Winner. And to go with these, 4 tumblers. So it all matches. I just thought it was incredibly cute. I've been looking for stuff like this for a while for the garden, just because I'm incredibly clumsy and it's quite likely that I will break a glass if I have a glass out in the garden. But I didn't want to use like the kids' tumblers because they're little. So this solves the problem. I can still feel like a grown-up without running the risk of, you know, breaking glass all over the place. I just thought these were adorable. I really like them. So I think that was £1.50. It was £1 for 2, 2, 3, 4, £4.50 in total. I just thought, oh yeah, like that. Okay. Brush and bowl set. If you follow me on Instagram, every now and again you'll notice I dye my hair purple. It's those shrine drops. You mix it in with your conditioner, leave it on for 10 minutes and it dyes your hair and it washes out within like 2 weeks and you'd never know it was there. But I don't have a brush and the bowl they give you is like really flimsy and I was getting in a bit of a mess doing it with my fingers and I saw this and thought, perfect, bowl and a brush. So that's the reasoning behind the bowl and the brush. Thought that was good. Okay. Oh no, I'm dropping things. Oops. Oh well, right. Next up. Tin. This is cute. Sorry, I know I'm diving in, but I got 2 of these. A grey one and a pink one. They're just cute little tins and they've got like a wood effect on the lid. And I just thought they'd be really sweet to go in my new bathroom in our next place. Just as, I don't know, to keep cotton buds in or something small. I just thought they were cute and they were £1 each and I was just like, ah, yeah, we'll have those. So I did. Okay, next, oh. Let's dive back in the box of wonders. Metal straws. I love metal straws. Honestly, I can't tell you why. I think they're fabulous. I think it's probably because there's something about the plastic ones or the rubber ones that you just kind of want to chew. But you can't really chew these because they're stainless steel, but they're great. And there's 4 in this pack and they come with a straw cleaner. Fabulous. cute. Dead happy with that. So there you go. Eco-friendly straws. Next up, from the box of wonders. Oh. It's the tiniest little light box you've ever seen. Yeah, I think this was a couple of quid. I'm not really sure. I don't think I looked at it properly because I wasn't expecting it to be a 6 size. I wasn't expecting it to be this small, and I don't really know what I'm going to do with it. But it's cute. If anything, I can pop a little positive message on and just have it on the side or my dressing table, or, you know, a positive affirmation for like the rest of the day. So, yeah, it's very small. But it comes with 85 letters, albeit very small letters. Don't know. It's cute. We'll see. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Okay, next up. Oh, W7 Fleek Browsers. Hold on a minute. Pack includes 2 razors and a protective pouch. I think this was 2 quid, right? For 2. Now, I typically use, I think it's the Hollywood browser, and it's 8 quid for 1. For what it is, it's quite expensive, and these are practically identical. I get 2 for like 2 quid. I'll have to test them out and see if they're as good, but I can't see why they wouldn't be. Because I use them for my eyebrows, just doing the underneath, because plucking makes me cry. I know, I'm a big baby, but it makes my eyes water, and then it makes me sneeze, and then the next thing I'm snotting and crying, just trying to pluck my eyebrows. So this, you know, avoids all that. And just thought, perfect. Save myself some money there. Oh, I'm just diving in. Okay. Next up, I got this. It's W7 again. They have quite a bit of makeup on there, actually. I'll have to maybe get some more, test it. Maybe if I do this again, I could do one that's just purely makeup products or just sweets. Okay, so this is the cover stick, but it has tea tree in it, and tea tree is really good for spots and things, and I just thought I'll try that because I'm really spotty around my chin. I don't know what happened. I never had spots when I was a teenager. I completely skipped the spots and the acne, thank God, because I really wasn't in a good place to deal with that then. It would have probably destroyed me. But all of a sudden I've hit my 30s and I've got like middle-aged acne. Like, how is that even fair? This stuff isn't supposed to happen now. Anyway, got a cover stick with tea tree. Just thought, give it a go, see if it's any good. If it's any good, we'll get more. Okay, Malibu Lip Balms. I thought this was a great idea. So it's lip balm with sun protection, which is great. Considering next year we're moving to Gibraltar for 2 years, you know, that's a fair bit more sun than I'm used to. So I thought, look after the lips. The lips. Okay, so we have watermelon flavour, mint and vanilla. I'm gonna try one. Which one? I'm gonna go for the watermelon one because I bloody love watermelon. Because I do have issues with food and stuff, textures. Can't handle textures. I love the flavour of watermelon. Anything watermelon flavoured, I am all over, but I cannot physically eat the stuff. It's something, I swear, something is broken up here. It won't let me eat it, so let's... Ooh. SPF 30 in a lip balm. It's clear. Oh, it just smells, oh, it smells nice. Come on out. Oh, I wish you could smell it. It's cute. Probably not a good idea to do when I've already got lipstick on, but it doesn't taste like watermelon. In a way, that's slightly disappointing, but at the same time, that's quite good because I'd probably end up just licking it off if it did taste like watermelon. It smells lovely. Let's see what the other ones smell like. That's mint. Oh, it's got it's a pepperminty smell rather than a spearminty smell. Can't speak. Okay, and the last one was vanilla. Can't get it open. Oh, that smells nice. It's like vanilla cookies. So yeah, it's probably a good job these don't actually taste like they smell, but they smell lovely, and I will be putting them to one side in the box for our move in February. So that's exciting. What else have I got? I think we are sort of nearing the end. I got a face mask. It's a sloth. That was so cool. But I didn't actually get it for me. All right, okay. I thought there was 2 of those. I thought I bought 2, but I clearly didn't. I bought 1. Anyway, got it for my sister-in-law because she's obsessed with sloths, and I thought, she'd like that. Sloth face mask, so cool. Okay, and the last 2 bits in here, I have got makeup removing cloths and a makeup remover cookie too. I don't really know what it is. Okay, so I wanted some more makeup cloths because I'm trying to avoid putting products and stuff on my face. Because of the spots and stuff, it doesn't seem to matter what I use, it just gets worse. So if I can remove my makeup with a cloth and just a bit of soap, or maybe just water. Makeup removing cloths for sensitive skin. Cosmetics without the chemicals. Love it. So hopefully they'll be good. But this intrigues me. Makeup remover cookie 2. So I'm assuming there is a cookie 1 somewhere. This is a clean and wash your makeup remover before first use, obviously. Under warm running water until it's saturated. Gently wipe and rub off your makeup in soft, smooth, circular motions until your makeup has vanished. Clean and wash your makeup remover cookie for next time you want to remove your makeup. Let's open it up because this intrigues me. Is it called a cookie just because it's round? Is that just... Oh, I'm sorry, but that's actually quite cute. It's got spots. It's got spots. So it's just a circular motion. I like that. It's very soft. I'm going to have to test it out. But yeah, that is it. That is everything that I got. There is no theme to it whatsoever. I just went through like the makeup stuff and the home stuff and just thought, oh, that's cute. I want that. Oh, it's cute. I want that. So that is exactly what I did. I'm looking forward to trying out the makeup cloths and the browsers because they're so much cheaper than what I have been buying. You know, save money where you can, people. Save money where you can. Straws are a winner. I do wish that was bigger, but you know, I should have read the description. Cute tins. I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to put in them, but they're cute. You see, there's a theme here. Put the lip balms are for the move. Cover stick. Face mask. And I just love this stuff. I really do. It's so cute. I don't know whether to use it this summer or to put it with the stuff that we're taking to Gibraltar. I'll probably put it with the moving stuff, to be honest, and it will just, yeah. Exciting! So that is it. That is everything that I got from CHERRYZ. I do think I should maybe do another one and set a bit of a budget and try out the makeup. So we could do a bit of an unboxing and then a bit of a try on and see if the stuff's any good, or maybe just do one with all the good sweeties. Oh dear. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it. Had a bit of a giggle. Let me know what you think down in the comments, links and things to the app. It'll all be down in the description, so don't forget to check that out. At least go and have a browse, because, you know, delivered straight to your door. Winner. Yeah, drop a comment, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, go and find me on Instagram, because that's where everything happens. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.